A warm welcome to this session on Practice to Undertake Precautions against Module Breakage. At the end of this session, you will be able to handle the solar photovoltaic modules safely in installation sites.
Tools and equipments required. Operation and maintenance manual for solar photovoltaic installation. Material handling equipment. Ropes. Lifting trolley. Personal protection equipment kits. Eye protection kit. Safety helmet. Ear protection kit. Safety and reflective jacket. Safety hand gloves. Safety shoes. Head and face protection. Rope with hook. Caution board and safety cone. Practice the precautionary measures for safe working with solar modules. Every work site presents different risks. No two work sites are the same. Before the solar installation begins, it is essential for the installer to visit the site, identify the safety risks, and develop specific plans for addressing them. The guidelines for best practice in solar photovoltaic installation is given below. Solar photovoltaic roof mounting structure. Choose the right type of mount. There are three types of mounts: pole, roof ground, and flush mounts, each of which can be installed in specific location. Aluminium frames to be avoided in coastal areas. Solar panels. Panels installed in high dust geographies like Rajasthan and Gujarat must have the solar panels tested with relevant dust standards. Take care of any sunlight obstacles before starting solar photovoltaic installation. Remove any unneeded obstacles such as branches that may be blocking sunlight to the solar unit. All 4 mounting clamps must be fixed properly for every solar panels. Proper care must be taken while lifting the solar panels at the time of mounting on the rooftops during installation. Handle the solar panels with care to avoid any damage to the panels. Fuse. The fuse shall have drain rail mountable fuse holders and shall be housed in thermoplastic IP65 enclosures with transparent covers. Cables. For the DC cabling, XLPE or XLPO insulated and sheathed, UV stabilized single core flexible copper cable shall be used. Multi-core cables shall not be used. For the AC cabling, PVC or XLPE insulated and PVC sheathed. Single or multi-core flexible copper cables shall be used. Outdoor AC cables shall have a UV stabilized outer sheath. Cables and wires used for interconnection of solar photovoltaic modules shall be provided with solar photovoltaic connectors and couplers. All cables and conduit pipes shall be clamped to the rooftop, walls, and ceilings with thermoplastic clamps at intervals not exceeding 50 centimeters. The minimum DC cable size shall be 4.0 square mm copper. The minimum AC cable size shall be 4.0 square mm copper. In 3-phases system, the size of the neutral wire size shall be equal to the size of the phase wires. The total voltage drop on the cable segments from the solar photovoltaic modules to the solar grid inverter shall not exceed 2.0%. The total voltage drop on the cable segment from the solar grid inverter to the building distribution board shall not exceed 2.0%. The DC cables from the solar photovoltaic module array shall run through a UV stabilized PVC conduit pipe of adequate diameter with a minimum wall thickness of 1.5 mm. Practice the precautionary measures for safe working with solar modules. Instructions for the team to follow in the site. Plans include equipments to be used for safe lifting and handling of solar panels. Type and size of ladders and scaffolding if needed. Fall protection for rooftop work. Personal protective equipment for each installer. All equipment needed for the job should be inspected and verified to be in good working order before being brought to the work site. Lifting and handling solar panels. Ladder safety. Solar construction often involves working on roofs and form ladders. Choosing the right ladder and using it properly are essential. Check if all panels are easily accessible for cleaning. Check if all panels are properly installed to withstand heavy wind load. Check if paint of frames in good condition. Check for carpentry and electrical trade related injury. Check for risk of traditional roofing. Check for potential for falls of many stored rooftops. Lifting and arranging unwieldy solar panels.
Recap. In this session, we have learnt how to handle solar photovoltaic modules safely in installation sites. Hope you have understood all the concepts in this session. See you in the next session with a new concept. Thank you.